Hi, my name is Atin Jain. Welcome to my life page. Today I talk about entrepreneurship in construction management. And before moving ahead, I would like to briefly introduce myself. I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering from Bangalore University. I passed out of college in 97, did a job in Delhi for a couple of years, but since 99 till today, I've been involved in construction management in a leadership role. Construction management is basically about planning and implementation of building projects. It can be a building, it can be a national highway, it can be an airport, it can be a railway tunnel, and many things like that. So for being a good construction manager, you have to be a practical person, somebody who understands natural sciences. Second would be project planning. In this, you plan the project, which depends on the timelines, which depends on the kind of work which is to be done. So you do such all kinds of detailing, which again you learn through your project planning books. So first and foremost is to understand the way your people are working. So workmanship is what you actually see from your practical experience at site. When you see people working from their hands in front of you, as a construction manager, you stand behind those workers and observe how they are crafting the building in front of you. Like imagine yourself building a temple. You have to understand how that mason is crafting those idols or those beautiful images on the rock, the kind of carvings. So making a building or a project is an art. So we have to understand through practical knowledge, through everyday means, how the mason, the carpenter, the plumber is working and how beautifully they can actually shape up things. Apart from monetary benefits, you get to travel to different places. When you travel to different places, there's an element of adventure. Looking around, visiting new places, new people, to me, it excites me the most. It comes hand in hand with monetary benefits. Apart from monetary benefits, you get recognition also. Once you are a good construction manager, people proudly associate themselves that yes, I made this building, when his son or his grandson comes over, because buildings are there forever. Being a construction manager, we have to have safety systems in place, also the safety policies in place. To fall in line with those safety policies, we want people whom we have employed at site to follow those instructions. People with varied backgrounds, when they come over to a common place to work together, some people understand Hindi, some people don't understand the language. So it becomes a real challenge how to get everybody amongst on board at the same platform. I generally wake up early in the morning, 6:30 something, go for a small walk or a small exercise or a yoga activity in my house. At 8 o'clock, I'm there on the project site. Generally, your work on a construction site starts at 8 o'clock. So I want to be there before everybody walks in, being the leader of the company. The work starts at 8. We are there. Encourage people to come on time, enjoy them, working happily with the common goal of building the project on time with the best construction practices. Once the work starts, then I can have my own time, sit in my office, study the daily reports, work out things, improve upon the existing work which is being carried on at site. Have a nice lunch, go back to my office from where I read the daily reports which have come to me from different sites, do a video conferencing with people, read out all the emails, important documents which people have sent me, footprint with utilization of better natural resources. So, welcome you all. Thank you.